You see our MPP birthday party. In the birthday party, object me a chairman. You say I brought you. To me.
Safo. Say MPP.
The credibility.
Maybe Nyabu Tremami. Say MPP any political party.
They be
party.
Birthday party.
I didn't know. Say.
Mami provincial.
They be proof to me.
First time MPP party me say o ma gwan be fie kakra.
I don't know kasa.
Na omo hu say afi no mo hu say ejako nimdifo a obetimi aye bibia ma party. In fact omo flag bearer anyway no chairman ni na mo fa ni na mbom ma ejako.
Oh sir. The flag bearer in the chairmanship. Yanka position me no nyina.
The only thinking being in MPP is Boache Jakun.
Eh asema na re. Na
sisi ano me maybe say we MPP move from top to down one pa na or think he call the right direction. Now also want to me be contesting. Na mo kra mo ye nipa ben. Tise abon ye mo type.
Who ye NDC ni?
Me NDC ni na
MPP for asem na ade na wo.
Ehun yan me. Masa. Ehun yan me papa because who ye yan correct opposition. Sisi MPP party no. Me da se okasa ni na onka say political party because we lose the what it takes to be a political party. You see our MPP birthday party. In the birthday party object me a chairman. You say abronye to me.
Safo. Say MPP.
The credibility.
Maybe Nyabu Tremami. Say MPP any political party.
They be
party.
Birthday party.
I didn't know say.
Mami provincial.
They be proof to me.
In their 8 years.
Yes.
In governance.
Yes.
And so kram kati cake. True or false? Parties in Guano no more organize it. And you live no more kati cake.
SOMPA.
Tax no more kati cake. Brownie na cake. Everything cake. And your birthday party na ye cake was here.
And she say no MPP amanyoku no. With the current leadership almost is here no. They have moved from a political party to
a birthday party. A solid and then grounded because maybe so. What a political party? How they abronye be chairman on inside.
Onye nipa.
Abronye does not qualify to be a chairman of a political party.
What are the qualities of a leader?
The qualities he possesses is a quality of a birthday chairman, birthday party chairman. It's as simple as ABC. Utie nikasa. See, for you to be a leader, mama you understand it said there are basic characteristics composure, demeanor, the way you make utterances, your response to things, the way you speak. Are you getting me? You should be a critical thinker, not a loose talker. Now we share this caliber of people from chairman to me. Masa, uti
SOMPA FM.
Now we say yatunu bedin. What you say? Edini kra kire. Enti no say sisi ano no person mo graduate and no person mo reforming party a collapse to become a birthday party into a political party. They need thinkers like Boache Jakun. And I might say bin say or a historian but I'm can according to a report I say history is bunk and no ko danchen. But ye ka say and there
no, but no, who can say history is bunk? I say historian, he knows the party in total.
Meaning, Masa, maybe NDC ni, but Boache Jakun hwe no wechi a un say, and you know no Bank of America say no.
He's a banker, not
banker.
Historian.
What you say? Eh? Me ma kankan nyama bia wa church. What you say? Into no na make catch you say, obi anadwim bopio. Outstandingly, MPP, CCA. Opa on group o mo candidates ni na Elon Musk ni ko Elon Musk ni we mu na ko mu bom o mo nyansa no endu 10% of Boache Jakun no.
They be one ko Elon Musk.
Onim.
Na say di no so free.
Ko. Oche one delegate $1,500.
Oh, it's not true.
on one okay, mommy video, on one okay. The more video, I challenge you. Me more video. The phone way. Me sell mommy phone back on. Me more video. Me see on one. Oh, about you. I'm there. Wadanfo. Wapea krama. Me see on one okay say, but omia primary school.
Roger. Let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
There is nothing that can influence my thinking.
Massa, you see?
No. Please. If your thinking can be influenced, my thinking cannot be influenced.
Let's see our father in the World Cup to say your thinking.
But you can't tell me. You can't tell me that.
The guy didn't influence your thinking.
No.
Or influence your thinking. Where in you?
You can't induce me. Nobody can induce me. I am a man of principles. So go back and ask, check my records.
We find a World Cup. They said they are men. You
don't indict me.
I'm not indicting you.
Some catch up some miska.
There be me patch.
No, you don't say. We don't apologize.
Okay,
you don't have any evidence. I can take you on. No, I'm serious. No, you don't do that.
I want you have a case. No,
you don't do that.
I withdraw. Oh, yeah, I withdraw. We're quite no, okay,
they're not telling you that your party NDC. I'm a Ghana Efi. You are not thinking about that.
No, I'm only $45 million. You have the moral locus to come and say, chairman, now go you find gentleman. Maybe to put in dress. Money $48 million. Money $48 million. 80 got a one. True or false?
I don't think Ghana for.
Oh, no. Money $48 million.
Ghana for about
why you have to say Ghana to mama?
Ghana for about
why you to mama? Why you to?
If you know,
why you to?
Regional minister. Jata regional Osi.
Chairman.
Obama kai fe light ba ko baby and never seen the 9th month. More than amaye.
Nanga minimum compare data. Mu compare data.
There be data.
Shuru. You call
me data na mu NDC. Na NDC for buy ye sabi. Mu mi so mo say, den no ma ye e wo kroma.
We
NDC so
den no ma ye
9 months apart from that freeway no munya sa go dom cotton to en wan sa ganam say for go dom kojiji ton mo so mo se mu promote o jai me yanka
waka mamika be jail say o say ye 9 months in government then na ye 9 months no is better than that your 8 years. That 8 years of junk baller running of the economy. You have the pride to come and sit here and no bisa say 8 months to 9 months technically then ye 8 months, no, we have restored the integrity and the dignity of the Ghanaian economy.
Where
was the dollar? Where was Ghana's economy creating?
Okay, right now, where is the dollar?
Oh, my brother, my chairman.
At the moment, where is the dollar?
Okay, so let me school you. Let me school you. Now, in the president's address to the nation, I'm not talking about the press engagement. With respect to the dollar. Or can say President Kaye on air said the value of the dollar is between 10 and 12. Hold on. Where see. Boom. This quack economist now you don't learn. Let me teach you. I'm not a businessman. I will take you through business processes.
No, you don't know.
Say the battle in the ground.
President.
Now forget about if you are president.
All right, maybe.
No, say hit but order from.
Abochi.
Yes.
The president made it clear that the value of the dollar is around 12 cedis. Now we all know that there is no single currency in the world that stands still. It undulates or it fluctuates. Keep quiet and let me school you. Keep quiet and let me school you.
Hold. MPP fee. No. Look. MPP me.
May you if you from him. You come me kasa. See, so the issue is say president Amayati here. Aside that, no, Machida say the currency does not stand still. No currency in the world. Now, we younger sir, your projections and our economic analysis. Yeah, the two out say the third quarter is going to see some or experience some turbulence. I mean, the currency is not going to perform well. Engineer, what I say? Now, wait for us to go into the fourth quarter. What you say? Into say mo tra na mo nunu ho na mo sre a. I said ya mo sasa igbenyum yenjilo yengbe. You people, your flag bearer Baumia, which you people are technically trying to impose upon yourself. Mu right direction in your administration. Na sisi ano mo be ka say onu na mo ka say o pagana for cho. Anyam na mo so mu bu o man ni ye no. What has changed? Problem. It's not your turn, Master. Keep quiet and listen.
May I say.
What has changed?
Roger, I have taken you off. Thank you so much.